Hey everyone, I'm Patrick. Welcome to Reverend Fats Brews and Tech. Today's going to be a double unboxing. Both are very quick. And also I'm featuring Tyrannicide by 14 Canons. We'll start with the brew. Tyrannicide is an IPA, which is what I mostly will be drinking. It's got a 7.5 ABV and 53 IBUs. Something I've been drinking for quite a while. Total Wine has a great deal on it here in Southern California. It's like 10 bucks for a 4-pack, and you can't beat that. So let's open it up. And the two products being unboxed today, one is the Maono, I don't know how to pronounce that properly, but that's what I'm going to say, AU100R, which is this lapel microphone I've got here, and the other one is the Microsoft Pro IntelliMouse Special Edition. So I love the floral notes of the Tyrannicide. Strong but not overly powerful, well balanced, and very enjoyable. If you're ever in the Westlake Agora, California area, you should definitely stop into their facility. It's a pretty cool brewery, really cool story on at least the Tyrannicide. I'm sure they've got good stories on their other beers too. Yeah, very cool, great beer. And so now we'll get on with unboxing our two products. Thanks. All right, so this is the Maono AU100R. Two things I noticed off the bat after taking it out of the Amazon package is that it's got some dirty spots on it. It's not a huge deal. Kind of greasy marks, it looks like. It's kind of a negative, but it's not going to affect the product review. The other thing is most boxes come with some sort of tape on it. This did not. It's not a big deal. I just would imagine if this was sitting on a store shelf that would probably be different. Anyway, regardless. So here we go. We got a desiccant gel pack to keep moisture out. Everything looks nice. Looks like it's in there nicely. Show it on its own. So open it up. Underneath you get your USB cable for charging. You get your Are You Happy card and a bag, which is nice. That to sit there. And everything's neatly wrapped. They got some Velcro straps on the cabling, which is nice. And so we have our clip, our lapel clip, which is in there pretty good. Looks like a little buffer for the microphone. Cool thing about this, excuse me, is it has a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch jack adapter. That's nice. Excuse me again. I won't need that, but that is nice. Your microphone and your rechargeable control module, I guess I would call it. So that's that. We'll switch over and see how it sounds. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, so I haven't used the AU100R all that much yet, but just from my camera tests and making sure that it works and all that stuff, it seems to be a vast improvement. Now, it's kind of an unfair upgrade review, I guess, from my first video, my Samsung 32-inch LED curved video, which I absolutely love. I was shooting that with a generic webcam and using the audio on that webcam, and it was atrocious, very bad. Now I'm, my second video, second/third video, I'm using my wife's
Canon 70D, and its built-in audio is better than the built-in audio of the webcam that I was using. However, this AU100R is an upgrade from that, and I'm incredibly happy that I got this one versus the other one that I was looking at, because the difference of cable length, I think, is 7.5 feet compared to almost 20 feet. And just so I can move around, I've got the cable wrapped around some various things on my desk, and then I've got it up through my shorts, and then clipped onto my waistband of my shorts, and then up through my shirt. Probably shouldn't be smacking on that thing, and then sitting right here underneath my chin. So it's fairly convenient. If I have to go in the other room, I just unplug it from the camera and walk around with it while I'm shooting. So that's it, I believe, and so far it's a good buy. Got it on Amazon. The product information will be in the description. Thank you for watching.
My only thing is, you know, I'm doing these unboxing videos because Steve Jobs, as much as I despise the man, he changed how things are packaged and how we receive them and how exciting it is to open something. And so that I'm very grateful that he was able to do all that. So just, yeah, like I said, it's a little greasy, and that's...
All right, take another swig. Make a mess.